Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the device, as you can see right over here. If the phone could, or if the camera could catch focus, there we go. So you have a couple different insert holes, I would say. So we have one right here. This is a microphone. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So there we go. Once you find it, you can then push the pin in. And as you can see, the tray pops out, enough for you to just grab it and take it out. On the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards. So you can occupy whichever tray you want, either the top or the bottom one, or both of them if you wish to. I'll be using just a single one, the top one for me. So once you insert a card into your device, it should start working right away. Still looking for it. It's looking for reception now. And there we go. It found reception. So there we go. No extra steps needed after inserting a SIM card. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.